Okay, so I want to make a little quick video, and it's that we have getting a lot of big entrepreneurs have been exposed by scammers and etc. This really heartbreaks me because I want to feel comfortable around with you guys, and I actually want to help you guys. I don't want to be that guy to scam you, and I don't want to be that guy to selling fake informations or it goes on and on and on. YouTube automations is really simple. All you want to do is be consistent, and it's only just gonna solve problems as well. Yes, it includes investing, a little bit on investing, on the editing, and the YouTube thumbnails. That's the only two you gotta invest, and that's all. The only information you'll need to know is the impressions and your video styles and your editing styles also, which I could work with that for you on and on and on a one-on-one call, as I was saying. But this really heartbreaks me because I don't like when big entrepreneurs get exposed because I'm trying to sell my course, of course, and I don't want you guys to be very scared about buying my course, as I was saying, because I do sell a course, of course, as I was saying, of course. Okay, let's move on. But yeah, as I was saying, is that I'm not gonna be the type of guy to just be doing that shit. Fuck that. Honestly, I'm not gonna be that fucking guru. I'm honestly always honest to you guys. I'm always honestly honest to you guys. I'm a very communicative person as well. And whenever you have a guys have a question, I will answer as soon as possible, of course. But the downside of me is that seeing these entrepreneurs are just being exposed by scammers, and then a lot of people are really scared to invest their money on these courses, and this is like one of the biggest downfall about courses as well. So it's really huge flag. So it's gonna get harder and harder to get money because of these scammers. So that's one of the particular things that I really honestly do not like, and I do not like scamming people out as well. It really does heartbreak me at all. I'm being dead serious. I honestly don't like scamming people. I honestly don't like, taking away 1K from you guys or 2K from you guys. No, that's not me, bro. That's honestly not me. I want to make this community very safe, comfortable for you guys to be very helpful for you guys to be able to solve problems no matter what, and to be able to answer freaking questions. You can answer to me, of course, and I'll answer them fast as possible, as I was saying. And beside that, I just want to say that if you guys are welcome in to invest, you guys are welcome in to invest to sign in my form. And if you guys are not welcome in to not signing my form, that is completely fine. That is completely fine. I'm not forcing you guys to invest this. It is alright if you want to learn it by yourself. But the thing is, if you're going to learn by yourself, it's going to get 10 times harder because I have learned a lot of lessons from these YouTube automations and etc. stuff. So it's really hard for you guys to learn it by yourself. It took me 3 years to get over 100K or 19K a month, and yeah, it takes really hard work and the education from it. It took me sleepless nights, and yeah, it takes a lot of depressions as well. So I just want to make this a little quick video for you guys to be able to make you guys real comfortable with me, so that way I could teach you guys to able to get along together, so we could just making together wins, man. I want to see you guys win. I want to see you guys accomplish your dreams. I want to see you guys. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. But it really does heartbreak me how seeing these big entrepreneurs like TGR and yeah, etc. that are just like scamming people. And if you guys are really uncomfortable with me, that's fine. It's completely fine. You could just log off of this YouTube. You could just learn it by yourself and just struggle alone. And yeah, but yeah, as I was saying, thank you guys for watching. This is all I'm gonna say honestly, because it really does heartbreak me honestly, and yeah, this is all I'm gonna say. So like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.